So today we're going to learn how to use percent benchmarks to find other percents. Now other percents means like anything that's not a benchmark, which is not 50, not 10%, not 1% or not 25%. So what we do, we basically look for those benchmarks to help us find the percents that we need. So in this case, they're asking us to find 54% of $120. So what I do is I go ahead and find the percent. So in order to get 50%, 54%, I need 50, because 50 is part of it. And then I need 1% times 4, which will give me the 4%. So 50 plus 4 will give me 54%. So that's what I'm going to look for in order to find my answer. So 50% out of 120, so 120, remember 50% you're dividing by 2, so that's 60. So this is $60. To find 1%, remember you're dividing 120 by 100. Okay, and remember that means that you're doing 2 steps to the left because you're dividing, so that means 1% is $1.20. Now that I have that, then I could go ahead and multiply 120 times 4. So I'm going to add 60, and then I'm going to do $1.20 times 4, and this will equal to $4.80. And because there's a decimal, I know the decimal 60 is at the end, so I'm going to add the zeros because we are working with money. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add those up. So 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 6 plus 0 is 6. So that means that 54% of 120 equals $64.80. So basically, we're looking to see what we need to do in order to find our percent with the benchmarks that we know, percent benchmarks that we know, and then doing the same thing with our money. So go ahead and write this down into your assignment, and then come back to the videos. And then go to the next questions and watch the next video.